what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be playing the new Animal Company update, and we're unrevealing everything and showing you all 3 promo codes. But you're probably wondering on why I'm saying we are. That's because I'm with my homie Brian. Yeah, that's right, you already know. Well, get down now. Alright guys, without further ado, let's do this. Alright guys, now we're gonna start with this, obviously. Y'all already know.
I think I lost my balloon.
We'll get a new one. Alright,
I may.
y'all just want to know. Yeah, there's quests, there's stuff like that. Yeah, reindeer, cosmetic. Bam! Oh!
Wait, I gotta. Wait, I don't have any coins. How many do you have? We'll have to cut the video for a minute.
So this is the first promo code. Jacob, be careful. Well, I gotta be careful because I have loot, but you do too. Oh, you are waiting now. Don't worry, guys. I will be waiting for him. He's just a little bit back because he lost his loot.
Don't wait me. I need you.
I'm at the spot, Jacob. I'm waiting for you. No, you. This old goober.
You better not go follow me.
Let's go. Alright, see these little holes?
Alright, go. It's right. It's right here. It's right here. This one.
Let's go.
This bad boy. It did not work.
Bam! First code made for me.
This were the first. Yeah, this were the first promo is made for me. The other ones.
Let's go, bro.
Sorry for that intermission. It's 1 second for you, but that was like 20 minutes for us.
Yeah.
Just ride the ceiling.
Yeah, that's wait, that's another shot. You can just ride the ceiling of these grapplers. We're going. Just go right over him. He doesn't do anything. He's really weak. But yeah, basically you just break crates. There's no crates. There's not a single crate over your spawn. Alright, let's just keep looting, guys.
Wait, get the light,
Yeah.
I'll hit this one over here.
I have a lot of things, so I'm gonna take a little bit. And here it is. Wait, no, wait, what? I had 3? Wait, what? Am I dumb? I'm dumb.
Where'd you put it?
Hold on, man. Alright, we did that. Alright, let's put it like right here. Okay, guys, you wanna like place it kind of like right there. And then boom, you got your grinding spot. So you just wanna kind of like put that off.
Well, we gotta hit lucky spot. Real quick.
You guys don't need to do this. We just call it lucky spot because last time we just stood here, we just got a bucket load of loot.
The first time we did this, we got like 4 crates. We got like 2 over there, 1 in here, 1 in there. This is good. Crate right there. Check over here.
I don't have anything to break this.
I'll just use my revolver.
Sam.
It's not guaranteed you'll be lucky every time.
Oh, a new revolver, yeah. Guys, that is insane luck, guys.
No, everything
what happened?
fell off.
Yeah.
Everything fell off.
Lots of things can fall off,
that
guys.
was good stuff, too.
Let's see. No crates over here. You know what that means? Just throw everything off, straight up. All off. And you can keep doing this for hours, and you'll be getting, like, rocket launchers.
What's the longest we've done this in a sitting?
Probably, like, 45 minutes.
Like, yeah, closer to an hour. My sister's coming home from college tomorrow.
Yeah. Wait. There he is. Oh.
Yo.
I almost died.
Holy crap, that was the freaking luckiest. Oh, you gotta look for crates over here too. Sometimes there are crates over here.
You hear that? Ow! Oh, respawn.
Crate right there. No crate. No
Wait,
crate.
wait, there's nothing in this one.
It's no, I'm gonna explode the crate.
Hold on, wait. Actually, I probably should
You
stand
should
there.
probably back up a little bit.
Get it. Ooh, that's good. That's good.
RPG mode, that's good.
Yo,
that's
imagine that
good.
exploded though. Nah, that would have been
If that
sad.
exploded, I would have cried.
Yeah.
Whoa, I die. We'll just real quickly. We'll run back to spawn, show you what we got from the crate. We'll show you where the first target is.
Yeah,
which
well,
everybody should know by now.
get out of here. Let's just get straight to that. Let's go. Sprint.
Toasty, you really gonna go without me?
I was joshing. I'm waiting right here. Let's
Wait,
get out of here,
We gotta
bitch.
go get the lights. We have to go get the lights.
Nah. Cause look, there's gonna be a
But
light
we-
right here.
next-
See? Light.
Right here. And light.
You almost killed me. I hope you know that. Bam, light. Let there be.
Alright, well,
Alright,
give me
man.
that. I carry the
This is
bullets.
how you do the
I carry the
light.
bullets. Give that. I carry the bullets.
Here is how you
Broski.
do it. No. I'm gonna do it.
Boski, back up. No.
Run!
I think we're cooked.
We're
I
good.
think you're cooked.
Alright, let's go. Alright, guys, let's see what we got quickly before it goes. Let's go to the mirror. Go to the mirror. Alright, guys, this is what I got. My badge over here. My badge right here. Put yours over there. Drop your stuff over there.
Hey, this is how we'll separate our stuff.
Look at that. That's a chain. That grappler and like 2 of these shotguns, I didn't get. I already had them.
Oh my goodness! My finger slipped.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
not
give me
good.
the RPG ball. Bye bye.
Well, anyways, guys, yeah, because for some reason. That's yours. Alright, guys. Ow. Guys, see you on the next one. We're gonna go peace out to the home. Anyways, that's how it's done, guys.
Don't look this way.